Very good morning students and welcome back to our science class of 3rd standard. So students, in the last period we have done the revision of lesson number first, living things and non-living things. So students, in this period we are going to do revision of the second lesson, our body system. Okay? So students, keep in mind that now we are giving you practice test to solve and you can do the practice how we should or we can appear for online test. Okay, so you can easily see your scores and make practice of the online test. So students, uh, get ready to solve all that practice test. Okay, and don't forget to write down this revision question and answers in your notebook. Okay, now see, the first question of our body system is unscramble the letters. Now see, the first is NRAGO and you have to write down the proper word for that is organ. ORGAN. Now SETIU. So it will be tissue. TISSUE. Next KEETSLNO. What is that word? Skeleton. SKELETON. Okay. So these are the unscrambled words. Now write down true or false. Question number 2 I have choose here. Write down true or false. Now see the first one. Tissues are building blocks of our body. Tissues are building blocks of our body? No. Now what is the correct answer? Cells are the building blocks of our body. So this is false. So you have to write here false. Cells join together to form a tissue. Cells come together and they form a tissue. Is this correct? Yes. So you have to write here true. Then third one is kidney is an organ. Yes. Kidney is a part of our body. It is organ. So you have to write here true. And why I forgot to write down here excretory system. Excretory system is an organization. So what is the answer of this? Excretory system is an organization. This is also true. So we will write here true. Okay. So students, now see question number 3. Two functions of skeletal systems. Now earlier we have learned which are the functions of the skeletal system. What do you mean by skeletal system? So the main function of skeletal system is to give shape and support to our body. It gives shape and it also gives support to our body. So we have to write here it gives shape it gives support to our body. So like this you have to write down all these question and answers in your notebook. Have you understood? Now let's move for the next question. Now see students, question number 4, fill in the blanks. Options are given here: tissue, functional, bacteria. Now see, cells are the smallest dash dash unit of our body. So what will be the answer? Functional. So you have to write here functional. Unit of our body. Many cells join together to form a tissue. We have to write here tissue. Okay. Then sometimes a cell can perform all the functions of life. The best example is bacteria. Okay. So like this we have done. The next is question number 5. Unscramble these words. OLRICCUATYR. So what is the correct word? Correct word is circulatory. Circulatory. Then OVUENRS. What is the answer? Nervous. Nervous. EITGIDESV. What is the answer? DIGESTIVE. Digestive. Okay. Now see question number 6. True or false? There are 5 sense organs in humans. True or false? True. You know which are our sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. These are the 5 sense organs. Nervous systems help us to think, reason and act accordingly. That is also true. With the help of nervous system, we can think, we can reason and we can act accordingly. Okay. Now see next one. Next one is the unwanted food is passed out of the body through anus. Is this true or false? True. This is also true. And fourth one, excretory system is composed of heart, blood and blood vessels. Is this correct? No. This is false. You know what is excretory system is made up of? It is made up of kidneys. Okay. So in this way we have completed our revision for this period. Remaining revision we will see in the next period. But you have to write down all these question answers in your notebook. Okay. Revise them. Learn them thoroughly. Keep on giving the practice test that is given on classroom app. Okay. So that it will be beneficial for you when there will be the final worksheet that we are going to take. Okay. So it will be very much beneficial for you to give that worksheet and score good marks. So here I am just saying goodbye to you. Bye bye. Now I am ending my lesson over here. I am ending my revision over here. Till then you have to take care of yourself. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.